Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. How do you add social media icons to the website? Let's have a quick look. Let's just go to the admin first of all. Go to Settings, General Settings. And under General Settings, go to Social Media. You can see here we don't have any URLs in any of these spaces here, but we're just going to drop one in. So we're just dropping a URL in, and we'll just drop them in the first top 6 there. Okay, I'm going to save and go back to the home page. And if we scroll down to the footer just here, let's refresh the page and you can see all the icons appear here. You can also display the icons up here instead of using the search module. So to do that, what you do is if you go to Settings, Design Settings, in the first tab, go to Header Design, and then where it says Header Search Module, just click on it and find the item in the menu that says Display Social Media Icons. So Display Social Media Icons, save, back to the home page, refresh, and you can see the icons are up here. So if you want them up there instead of down in the footer, you can hide them in the footer simply by going to Toolbox, Menu Manager. If you've customized your footer, it will be in the top half. But if you haven't, we can go ahead and customize it. We can then scroll down and we're looking for the social media links just here. And we can just simply tick the hide button, save, back to the website. So that's how you can hide the social media icons in the footer and how you can get them to also appear in the header. I hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching.